This is my process for fitting an EV charger. Step 1, get your tools out. Step 2, refresh your memory on what charger you're fitting. This one is a Simpson & Partners that the customer has supplied, so that's why the box is open. Next step, with the template, I always prefer using these because you know the holes are going to be bang on. Get my Marksman, I've levelled that out. Bosh, bosh, bosh. So now that's ready for drilling and fixing. Step 4, now that I've got the fixings ready to mount this, I'm going to drill the bottom out for my stuffing gland. Done. So step 5 is just fixing this bad boy, which I've done, just giving them a last little nip. And then on step 6 we'll look at drilling through where the consumer unit's going to go. Always start with the smaller bit first and then open it up to the size you need. That's what I find is the easiest method, so let's do it. So just before we get the cable through the wall, we're going to do this little step first, get all these D-lines on the wall, and we can put the EV Ultra through, clip her in, up into the charger, and PTB the other side by the board. And the cable's round, as you can see, we've got the EV Ultra and the D-lines round to the unit, so it's time to second fix and then lid it up. So now the charging end's all finished up and we've got our lid on, it's time to get on the bracket with the charging cable itself. Now this little chalk and the chalk up there, it's lower down than that, that's where the customer marked, but it doesn't meet height regs, so we've just shifted the whole thing down. Let's get this coiled around that. Cable's coiled, let's give it all a little wipe down before I seal the holes up there. So we've got 2 holes to fill, the one we've actually ended up going through, and one where we made an error. Things do happen, the walls are very thick, so we've kept some dust. So we'll chuck some silicone in there, and then blow the dust back in, and you'll never know. Lovely job. And don't worry, I haven't forgotten to test it. We're going to plug our MFT X1, the Mega, and the Mega EV adapter in, and get our results. So that's where we made an error, filled up with silicone, kept some of the dust, blew it on, light dab round the brick, you'll never know. So that's how I do my side of the EV install. Pete's always inside, no need to show that, you've seen it a million times. That's how I methodically do it outside, hope you've enjoyed.